What's going on, everybody? I just woke up. You can tell I'm tired of my voice. And this was in the mail. This came Toshiba Camileo H30 camera. Let's get into it. Alright. A nice little title thingy cover, whatever that is. Comes with a remote. I guess when you lay it down, you can press record on it and all that. We have it on the tripod, so that's pretty cool. Play, I guess, record, up, down, some other stuff. It's small, smaller than I thought. That's good. It's very small. Yeah. Is that it? That's all that's in here. Yeah, looks like it. Oh, wait. Why would I say it looks like it? There ain't no fucking cord in there, Michael. Jesus. Okay. Yeah, the software. No, what is this? Yeah, it's instructions and manuals and stuff. It's a little pouch for the camera, which is cool that they have. Little cloth to clean it with. The cord, the charger, whatever. You got some audio plugs. Little screen thing protector. What is this? The USB cord. This is, I don't know what this is. It's like this is an HDMI. No, I don't think so. I don't know. No, I don't think so. Anyway, that's pretty much it in this box. We're going to do a quality test and see how it looks. Peace.